How much capital will be required? The amount of capital required to start a business varies depending on the type of business and its location. Some businesses can be started with as little as a few $100s, while others may require tens of thousands or more. You will need to create a detailed business plan to estimate the startup costs and ongoing expenses. How to get profit fast? To get a profit fast, you will need to focus on generating revenue and reducing expenses. Here are some tips. Increase sales. Focus on marketing and sales efforts to increase revenue. Offer promotions and discounts to attract new customers and incentivize repeat business. Reduce costs. Look for ways to reduce expenses, such as negotiating with vendors, cutting unnecessary expenses, and outsourcing tasks to freelancers. Optimize pricing. Consider adjusting your pricing strategy to maximize profitability. Test different pricing models and monitor how they impact your revenue and profit margins. Expand your product or service offerings. Increase revenue streams by expanding your product or service offerings to meet the needs of your target audience. Remember that building a profitable business takes time, patience, and hard work. Be prepared to make adjustments to your strategy as you learn what works and what doesn't. Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but it also requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to follow when starting a business. Identify your business idea. Choose the product or service that you are passionate about and that solves a problem or meets a need in the market. Conduct market research. Analyze your target audience and competitors to understand their needs and preferences. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed plan that outlines your business goals, marketing strategies, financial projections, and other important details. Register your business. Choose a legal structure and register your business with the appropriate government agencies. Secure funding. Identify potential sources of funding, such as loans or investors, to help finance your business. Build a team. Hire skilled professionals to help you run your business, such as an accountant, lawyer, and marketing specialist. Launch and market your business. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy to attract customers and build your business's reputation. Remember that building a successful business takes time, dedication, and hard work. Stay focused on your goals and continually evaluate and adjust your strategies to ensure success.